Ikorodu is happening. Yes, and people are moving to Ikorodu big time because their lands are 100% dry. Right here we are launching an estate called, you can see all our cars are here, everybody is here. We're launching an estate called Monarch Residence. You can see the fence, the gatehouse is already done. Our land here is going for 500 square meter, is going for 4 million naira, while the 300 square meter is going for 2.5 million naira. These prices are inclusive of documentation. 500,000 naira. You already become a landlord on this land. This estate is just close to Caleb University. It's even before Imota. Yes, it's even before Imota. And people are building houses already in Ikorodu. Electricity is already here. So what are you waiting for? They said the best time to buy any real estate is now. So don't miss out on this. Buy this estate now, and it's 100% dry land. I just